Now let us discuss the concept of co-interior angles. It is the part of a chapter of lines and angles in the mathematics. The co-interior angles are these angles which are on the same side of the transversal and are inside the two lines. That means if we have two lines L and M and a transversal N cuts them, so and we name the angle this 1, 2, 3, 4, this is 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now that means we have two straight lines L and M and we have a transversal N which cuts these lines. So the angles formed are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and from this we can say that angle 3 and angle 5 are co-interior angles. That means now angle 3 and angle 5 are on the same side of the transversal and are inside the two lines, so they are interior angles, and as they are on the same side of the transversal they are known as co-interior angles. Similarly, angle 4 and angle 6 are co-interior angles. Now 3 and 5 are co-interior angles, 3 and 5 are co-interior angles, 4 and 6 are co-interior angles. Similarly, 1 and 7 are co-exterior angles. Angle 2 and angle 8 are co-exterior angles. Co-interior means on the same side and interior means inside, that is between the two lines L and M. The pairs are 3 and 5, 4 and 6, and co-exterior means on the same side of the transversal and exterior means outside the line L and M. So 1 and 7 are a pair of co-exterior angles, 2 and 8 are a pair of co-exterior angles. And if L is parallel to M, then angle 3 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree, or we can say that the co-interior angles are supplementary, that angle 3 plus 5 is 180 degree, angle 4 plus angle 6 is 180 degree. Similarly, the co-exterior angles, that means angle 1 plus angle 7 is again 180 degree, and angle 2 plus angle 8 is also 180 degree. They are co-interior angles and this pair is co-exterior angles. So in case of parallel lines, that means if two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, then the co-interior angles as well as the co-exterior angles are supplementary. So co-interior means on the same side of the transversal, and interior means they are inside the two lines. So co-interior are 3 and 5, 4 and 6, co-exterior are 1 and 7, 2 and 8. But if L and M are parallel lines, then and a transversal N cuts them, so we can say that the co-interior or co-exterior pair is supplementary. That means angle 3 and angle 5 is equal to 180 degree and angle 4 plus angle 6 is 180 degree. Similarly, if the co-exterior angles are also supplementary, that means 1 and 7 are co-exterior angles, so it is 180 degree, and angle 2 plus angle 8 is 180 degree. Now let us discuss a question on the concept of co-interior angles are supplementary. Now we have been given in the figure that L and M are parallel lines. It has been given to us that L is parallel to M and N is the transversal. And we are supposed to find the value of x. Now let us name the figure. So let it be A, this be B, C, D and X, Y. Now we know that AB and CD are two parallel lines and N is the transversal which is intersecting AB at X and CD at Y, and we are supposed to find the value of X. So the solution will be, as L is parallel to M, we know that the co-interior angles are supplementary. So angle BX y plus angle XYD is equal to 180 degree, because co-interior angles are supplementary. Because we know that AB is parallel to CD and N is the transversal which is intersecting AB at X and CD at Y. So angle BXY and YXYD are co-interior angles, and as they are supplementary, so we can say that angle BXY plus angle XYD is equal to 180 degree. Now substituting the value of, we know that angle BXY is equal to 5x plus 37 and angle XYD is equal to 43. Substituting these values, let us mark it as 1, this as 2 and this as 3. So substituting the values from equation 2 and 3 in 1, we can say that 5x plus 37 plus 43 is equal to 180 degree, or 5x plus 80 is equal to 180, or 5x is equal to 180 minus 80, that means 5x is equal to 100, or we can say x is equal to 100 upon 5, that is 20 degree. So the value of x is, when the value of x is equal to 20. So this is what we were supposed to find, the value of x. So the value of x is 20 in this question. So what we have done is, we have used the concept that co-interior angles are supplementary, because we were given that L is parallel to M and the angles marked were the co-interior angles, and we know that the co-interior angles are supplementary. So we said that BXY plus XYD is equal to 180 degree. We know the value of BXY as 5x plus 37, it was given in the question, and angle XYD as 43. So we have substituted these two values in equation 1, and then we have solved a linear equation and found the value of x as 20 degree. So this is how we have applied the concept of co-interior angles are supplementary in case of parallel.